Okay, we're back with episode 2 of refinishing the cabinet. I'm just going to give it a light sanding to get some of this film from the stripper off. I have this foam sanding block with 220 grit sandpaper. So here we go. Let's see how much it improves with a little bit of sanding. It's looking a little bit better. I'm going to switch to a little bit lower grit sandpaper to get a couple of areas. I think this 150 sandpaper will maybe take a little bit more off faster. And as you can see, the stain is a little less pronounced after a little bit of sanding. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and start on the green filler. For that I have Constantine's paste filler, and it's the walnut flavor. So for that I just spatula it on and push it into the grain. Okay, with my plastic spatula again, and we'll spread this around a little bit more. So tonight, after work and a nap, I got up and grain filled the sides and top. You can still see the water stain, but I don't think it's quite as prominent as it was before. And depending on how I feel tomorrow, will be to sand it down with a high grit sandpaper, and I'll make a decision as to what to do as far as the toner goes. But I think I might hit it with a coat of perfect brown and do the extra dark walnut on the trim on the bottom, just to give it a little extra contrast and pop. So it's looking pretty good. The wood feels nice and smooth, so it feels like the grain did get filled in pretty good. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this comes out.